Today for the Bitcoin price, congratulations to everyone. We hit my price target perfectly here. But everyone is asking me right now, Chris, when are you going to open your next long position? And more importantly, if I am standing on the sidelines right now, what is the next entry position for Bitcoin? I want to show you exactly at what specific price level I will be opening my next long position. Bitcoin is right now consolidating here. But the question right now is this a breakout out of the falling wedge for Bitcoin and the confirmation? So we can go to much higher price targets, actually a price target I want to mention here in this video, and I can tell you it will completely blow your mind. Or are there some warning signs in the charts right now? And I want to talk about that, where we have to pay close attention. There is one specific level I want to see Bitcoin holding, otherwise we could see a significant retracement down. I want to talk not only about these scenarios, about my game plan, but also I want to show you my open position here on Bybit, $150,000 in a profit, another one on Femex, $137,000 in profit, and also my close position I recently took profits exactly below the $16,000 level. I want to talk about my game plan, my specific take profit areas, and what I am planning for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. More importantly, many people asking me if I am standing on the sidelines, Chris, what would be your next entry position? When would you open your next long trade on Bitcoin? I will be talking about that. Also, congratulations for everyone who was trading my call on Ethereum yesterday with this confirmed a breakout towards the upside. We hit my price target of $453. I want to tell you exactly what are the next price targets for Ethereum I am looking out for right now. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum on leverage, well, in the pinned comment down below, I have literally the highest bonus on whole crypto YouTube, $610 for your Bitcoin or Ethereum trading here. If you click this link, put in your email address and your password after your initial deposit, you can get as an experienced trader $610 completely for free. So guys, especially today, the weekend is coming. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. You sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button to a new all-time high, you press subscribe, press the bell, and here, press on all, get all the notifications. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, Bitcoin is actually holding very, very strong here. And you remember that I closed my whole Femex position here at $16,000, the last price target I was actually calling for Bitcoin here, up to the exact dollar we hit it, and this position is completely closed. I have one more position on Bybit, one more position on Femex. I want to talk about when am I planning to close them off, and also more importantly, if you are standing on the sidelines right now, where am I personally going to look out for opening a new long position for Bitcoin? I want to talk about all of that. First of all, I want to tell you that I am waiting here for this blow off top to call that this is the definite top for Bitcoin before we are going into a future correction. And so far, I still cannot see it. It was the perfectly right decision here to take profits because, you know, I opened my position at 9,400, another one at 10,700, another one at 11,700. So obviously I have to finally take profits here after racking in like 600-700% in profit. It is the reasonable thing to do. However, I am keeping the rest open just in case Bitcoin continues to break out. And what I am usually waiting for this blow off top, for a rally like this to end, is a massive correction, a massive volume supported correction here, and a blow off top at a specific price target. And so far, if we pull this out here, you cannot see that this is not a massive, like Bitcoin retraced 5% over a matter of 21-22 hours. This is not a massive blow off top yet. We have some kind of bullish consolidation at the resistance. And I am not quoting, I am not calling that Bitcoin is necessarily going to break out here. So far, we can still see strength. And this is a pattern here, whether it is a falling wedge, like I'm pointing it out right here, could be a bull flag, also very legit to assume. The worst case, what you could say, is a descending triangle. However, let's treat it like a falling wedge. It doesn't really change a lot. And what we saw here yesterday was this breakout over here. And don't quote me on it. I mean, here it is not perfectly drawn, but you get my point. So we saw here this breakout, but this breakout was not volume supported so far, which is of course not very nice for the follow through. But so far, Bitcoin also didn't break down yet, even we got a rejection and we confirmed the previous support being now resistance, the previous resistance now being support. So this could be considered a breakout confirmation. What I am personally waiting for here is volume to come in and to confirm that. If there is no volume coming in and we don't see a bounce, then this could lead to some more chopping around, especially, or maybe even going down, but probably more chopping around, especially considering that the weekend is coming up and that Bitcoin just needs a breather. So what I could imagine is that we are going maybe a little bit more sideways here. But of course, be prepared here, set your stop losses. And then over the weekend, and this is something I want to say, if Bitcoin goes sideways over the weekend, I think that the altcoins might go completely ballistic here. And of course, I could be wrong, but this is exactly what I am predicting here right now for Bitcoin. And I want to go over into Ethereum. But first of all, I want to talk with you about what are my price targets for Bitcoin. Because you remember, not only that all my price targets perfectly were hit and we always got a rejection after my price target, just here like the last time when we hit the $16,000 price target, which I also called. Well, what is my next price target? And that's it. I mean, every single time Bitcoin hits a price target, we have to quote a new one. Otherwise, we are without any plan in the markets. So what is the next price target here for Bitcoin? And I want to talk about that. First of all, we could have, if this is considered a bull flag, for example, you could pull out this measured move target, and this is the most optimistic way of looking at things. And don't go crazy here about that necessarily, but of course this price target would be among the $17,000 levels, and the only way how I would trade it would be the last confirmation when Bitcoin closes a volume supported candle above the previous high here. In case this happens, I think this will start being a very possible scenario. Other than that, if we are not breaking the previous high, if we are not getting some volume in, I don't think this is a possible scenario. But the $18,000 could be a level we could be looking out for. Other than that, and this is something I already mentioned a long time ago, let me just go back here and go back to the daily candles. Another level where we could expect some resistance coming in, if this is not already the top, since it was my last price target here, would be here the high from January 2018, approximately among the $17,234 levels. And I want to go here into my trades in my exact game plan here. Also tell you where I would be opening my next position before I go into Ethereum, because guys, we made it. We hit my price target once again. Congratulations for everyone who traded it. First of all, I want to go back here into Bitcoin, show you my trades, my price targets, and everything I am expecting here. This is my trade over on Bybit. You can see this one is right now raking in $150,000 is still here, nearly no funding fee. And I opened it at 10,750. I put in more, $10,850. And of course, the question is, where am I going to take profits? Well, I will be taking profits very soon along the lines. I will be scaling out of that position, and then the next profits at 17,200 and then 18,000. Not saying that we are going to hit it. This is the reason why I took my whole profits on Phoenix already, that I can take fewer profits on Bybit just in case Bitcoin goes higher. This is my game plan for this specific position. Then I have another position over on Phoenix, this one here. You can see this one I opened at $9,400. It is also $140,000 in profit. So even though I took $180,000 on my other Phoenix position, I still have the $150,000 and the $140,000 profit taken here. And this is to some people who said, Chris, you took profits too early. Well, if you are sitting on a bunch of profits and Bitcoin just made on leverage here 600-700% gains for you, you might as well consider taking some profits along the lines and letting the rest ride towards the upside. This is what not greedy people do, and whenever greed kicks in, this is usually when you are getting punished. So this is my position on Phoenix at $9,400 entry price, 140,000, but this is one I am not going to take profits because the entry position was very strong. And this is exactly what I'm always preaching. The most important thing is, where is your stop loss, or more importantly, where is your liquidation price? I want to avoid to unnecessarily get kicked out of a position if Bitcoin is already in a parabolic run towards the upside. This is why I am, and this is not recommended for most of the people, I'm most of the times playing without a stop loss even, because I want to make sure that I stay in the positions, and this is the reason why I'm having these long swing trade positions open. Bitcoin is so volatile that many stop losses would be triggered anyway. But if you are not experienced, don't play without a stop loss. This is very important, guys, because only playing without a stop loss is only possible if your entry position is extremely strong. And also, whenever I have no stop loss, I decrease the total volume of Bitcoin I'm going in, because I still want to risk the same amount, right? So the reason why I'm doing this video as well is because everyone is asking me, what happens if Bitcoin gets this retracement? What happens if this pump here is already over? Or for example, what happens if the pump is over after we reach 18,000 or whatever? Many people are standing on the sidelines and are asking, where is the next very strong entry position? Well, I think the next strong entry position could be here along the lines of the 21-week moving average. And this is the thing, guys. If Bitcoin retraces, we might see, whether it's now, whether it's next week, then the week afterwards, we might see a 1 to 3 weeks correction to the downside. And I think this one will end here at the 21-week moving average, which is right now at 11,300, but it is increasing at a speed of $500 per week. So let's say we are getting the blow off top next week, and let's say the correction takes 3 weeks, then it would be $1,500 higher than 11,300, approximately close to 13,000. Something like this. Whenever Bitcoin goes down and touches the 21-week exponential moving average, this would be the moment where I would be trading the bounce. This would be the moment where I would be opening a new long position at the bounce of the 21-week moving average, because going back in time, inevitably, Bitcoin is usually going to hit it, going to bounce, and going to go higher afterwards. This is my game plan right now for Bitcoin. Also, if you want to be trading on Bybit here, like I'm doing it, or over on Phemex, I will be leaving for you the highest bonus links in the pinned comment down below. If you scroll down to the pinned comment and you are an experienced trader, you can get $610. Literally, you will not find any bonus link with a higher bonus than this on whole crypto YouTube. $610. If you click the link in the pinned comment and you use our code here, you can get, after your initial deposit, $610. And this is the thing, even though you're not planning to trade this week, when you want to play trade next week, well, just leave your bonus on the sidelines, and whenever the time comes, you can take only your bonus, trade with it, and withdraw the profits from this free trade onto your wallets. I think this is an amazing offer here for experienced traders. $610 with a 30x leverage. It's an $18,000 trade, risk-free if you don't touch your own money. Very, very nice thing to do here. If you're an experienced trader, in the pinned comment down below, make sure you take advantage of that. Also, you support us with that. Since it's an affiliate link, you get a bonus, we get a bonus. Thank you so much for that. Let's go here straight into the Ethereum content, because you remember here, approximately right here, we broke out of this downward sloping channel here, or downward slope. We broke the trend line, let's call it like this. Then we confirmed the trend line, and Vitalik was so smart to make this Ethereum 2.0 announcement directly here before the breakout. And I was calling, well, I am going into Ethereum right now. I was saying it on Twitter approximately at $405, and of course I did. And of course I am scaling into Ethereum because I was waiting for this moment for such a long time. And you can see after this announcement, after my prediction, also Ethereum went up, exactly hitting my price target at $453. And I already mentioned before, I am also looking out for higher price targets for Ethereum, but this might take a little bit more time. But the next one would actually be, believe it or not, at $576, the next Fibonacci retracement level. Here you have all my plans, all my take profits, all my plans on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and so on. And of course, remember, you can be trading Ethereum also on Bybit. If you click the link here in the pinned comment down below, you can make trades on Ethereum on Bybit as well. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for also pressing subscribe, pressing the bell, and pressing on all. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.